Hello, my dear students. So this is another lecture from Human Reproduction. We are revising CBSE syllabus. So this is revision short third. Gametogenesis means gamete formation. In males, you have sperms. In females, you have eggs. So gametogenesis is biological process by which male and female gametes are produced. In males, gametes are sperms, and process is called spermatogenesis, which we'll be discussing here today. Spermatogenesis. And in females, this process takes place in the testes and begins at puberty when we are talking about spermatogenesis. And in females, we'll be talking about oogenesis separately, so that will be a separate lecture. Now, inside the testes, there are tightly coiled structures which are called as seminiferous tubules. We already discussed about them. I have shown you a diagram also. The inner lining of these tubules contain immature male germ cells which are called as spermatogonia. Then each spermatogonia is diploid, you know, located in seminiferous tubules. Chromosome number is 46, that is 2n, and multiplies by mitosis. Now, these spermatogonia, they will multiply by mitosis. For the formation of the primary spermatocytes, like some spermatogonia, they enlarge and differentiate into primary spermatocytes, which are also diploid. These cells are destined to undergo meiosis. Now they will undergo meiosis 1. Meiosis 1, it's a reduction division. Each primary spermatocyte undergoes the first meiotic division, producing 2 secondary spermatocytes. These cells are now haploid, 2 secondary spermatocytes will be formed, they are haploid. That means chromosome number is 23. And meiosis second, each secondary spermatocyte undergoes second meiotic division, resulting in 4 spermatids. Each spermatid having the chromosome number 23. That means they are haploid. Now, after that, spermiogenesis will happen. Spermatids are non-motile and round. They are transformed into mature motile sperms through differentiation process, which is called as spermiogenesis. Then, after spermiogenesis, we have one important process that's called spermiation. So after spermiogenesis, the sperm heads, they remain embedded in the Sertoli cells. You can see here, some sperm heads are still embedded in the Sertoli cells. This diagram has been asked in CBSE. So this is for the nourishment. They are taking nourishment from these Sertoli cells. Finally, sperms are released into the lumen of seminiferous tubules by the process of spermiation. What is spermiation? What is spermiogenesis and what is spermiation? You should be clear about it. Now about hormonal control, how all these things are controlled harmonically. Then at puberty, hypothalamus releases GnRH. And this GnRH, it stimulates the anterior pituitary to release LH and FSH, luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone. Now, this LH acts on Leydig cells and releases and stimulates the secretion of androgens like testosterone. And FSH, it acts on the Sertoli cells and it is promoting spermiogenesis. Then androgens, they maintain and stimulate spermatogenesis. So this is all about spermatogenesis. This diagram is very important, which has been taken from your textbook itself. So I hope you understood this process. Thank you. Thank you for watching this lecture.